Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Proficient in English with Binus. I'm Listia, your instructor. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang Let's Visit Jakarta's Old Town. Oke, setelah teman-teman menonton video modul pembelajaran ini, teman-teman diharapkan dapat membaca dan mendeskripsikan isi dari sebuah descriptive text tentang historical places and tourist destination. Ayo mulai. Oke, kali ini teman-teman akan membaca teks tentang Jakarta's Old Town. You can pause the video to comfortably read the text, or you might also want to listen to me and read with me as I read the text aloud for you. Alright, let's begin. Visiting Kota Tua in Jakarta. Kota Tua is one of the most popular places to visit in Jakarta. It is Jakarta's Old Town. This is an area about 4.5 kilometers north of the Monas that mainly consists of Dutch colonial buildings that were built during the 17th century. When you visit Kota Tua, you will see an area of the city that is quite distinct from other areas of Jakarta. It is noticeably feels more European. Over the last 10 years, the local government has been initiating more revitalization projects of Kota Tua. Currently, it is a vibrant place to visit with mixed crowds of locals, expats, and international tourists. When you visit Kota Tua, you will be able to explore street markets, various museums, and the port area of Jakarta. Very few domestic or international visitors to Jakarta leave without visiting some of the attractions in Kota Tua. When you visit Kota Tua at the first point of interest that most tourists go to is Fathahillah Square, locally called Taman Fathahillah in Bahasa Indonesia. Like most European city squares, Fathahillah acts as the center of Old Town. If you are visiting Kota Tua, just ask your driver to drop you off near Fathahillah Square. They should know exactly where it is. Fathahillah Square is a vibrant public space. People walk around that square taking photos of the surrounding colonial buildings. They also have colorful bikes that you can run here for photo opportunities. You will see school groups, locals, domestic tourists, expats, and international tourists all converging in this area. If you visit Kota Tua, you must check out Fathahillah Square. There are 5 museums located around Fathahillah Square, and they include Bank of Indonesia Museum, Bank Mandiri Museum, Wayang or Puppet Museum, Jakarta History Museum, and the Museum of Fine Art and Ceramics. It is common for visitors to go from one museum to the next to get a better idea of Jakarta's history and progress towards independence. If museums are not your thing, check out the street markets around Kota Tua. Over the last few years, the markets around Fathahillah Square have improved. Currently, you can find everything from cool paintings, henna tattoos, to traditional Indonesian snacks in this area. And let's not forget about coffee. Kopi in Bahasa Indonesia. Kota Tua has some really cool cafes that have been designed in traditional Dutch colonial buildings. The most famous one is called Cafe Batavia. Most international tourists visiting Kota Tua also visit Cafe Batavia. You can get excellent views of Fathahillah Square from the top floors as you enjoy the suburb ambience. It also has good live music and popular candlelit dinners. Oke, teman-teman semua sudah selesai membaca teks tersebut? Sangat menarik ya, tentang Fathahillah Square dan Jakarta Old Town. Sekarang, let's do exercises together. Match paragraph 1 to 12 with the pictures A to D as follows. Jadi di sini saya akan punya 4 pictures atau 4 foto. Tugas teman-teman adalah mencocokkan foto-foto tersebut dengan paragraf yang ada di dalam teks deskriptif yang barusan kita baca. Bagaimana? Bisa kan melakukannya? Oke, ayo kita coba. Di sini ada picture A, picture B, picture C, dan picture D. Bagaimana? Sudah ditemukan jawabannya? Untuk picture D, jawabannya adalah paragraf nomor 5 dan nomor 6. Yaitu, when you visit Kota Tua, the first point of interest that most tourists go to is Fathahillah Square, as described in the picture. Like most European city squares, Fathahillah acts at the center of Old Town. If you are visiting Kota Tua, just ask your driver to drop you off near the Fathahillah Square. Jadi, gambar tersebut adalah gambar Fathahillah Square dan paragraf yang cocok juga menjelaskan atau mendeskripsikan tentang Fathahillah Square. Sekarang ke gambar berikutnya. Gambar deretan sepeda ini cocok untuk paragraf nomor 7, yaitu Fathahillah Square is a vibrant public space. People walk around the square taking photos of the surrounding colonial buildings. They also have colorful bikes that you can run here for photo opportunities. So, there you go. That is the hint. Colorful bikes in the Fathahillah Square. Kita ke gambar selanjutnya ya. Gambar ini adalah deretan arts yang bisa teman-teman temukan di Kota Tua, Jakarta. Kira-kira paragraf mana ya yang cocok? Ya, betul sekali. Paragraf yang cocok adalah paragraf nomor 10. If museums are not your thing, check out the street markets around Kota Tua. Over the last few years, the markets around Fathahillah Square have improved. Currently, you can find everything from cool paintings, henna tattoos, to traditional Indonesian snacks. Oke, jadi gambar dengan paragraf deskriptifnya berhubungan ya. Gambarnya adalah cool paintings. Kita lanjut ke gambar terakhir. Gambar terakhir ini adalah Cafe Batavia. Kira-kira paragraf mana ya yang berhubungan? Betul sekali. Paragraf yang berhubungan adalah paragraf terakhir, yaitu paragraf 11 dan 12. Paragraf 11 adalah, and let's not forget to talk about coffee. Kota Tua has some really cool cafes that have been designed in traditional Dutch colonial buildings. The most famous one is called Cafe Batavia. And paragraph 12, it said, most international tourists visiting Kota Tua also visit Cafe Batavia. You can get excellent views of Fathahillah Square from the top floor as you enjoy the suburb ambience. Jadi, kedua paragraf tersebut masih membicarakan dan berusaha mendeskripsikan Cafe Batavia. Oke teman-teman semua, di video ini teman-teman sudah mempelajari tentang descriptive text yang berhubungan dengan tourism destination, terutama historical places. Kita akan bertemu di video selanjutnya. Semangat ya belajarnya!